Today, we will install the Frappe HR software on top of ERPNext. In our last video, we installed ERPNext in our Docker environment. Today, we're adding an HR module to it. Frappe HR is an open-source, highly customizable, no-code software solution that fulfills all your organization's HR needs. It enables you to manage employee recruitment, attendance, leaves, expenses, and the entire employee lifecycle with a customizable payroll system. You can also manage employee performance, KRA, feedback, and create a self-appraisal system. All workflows are in one place, meeting your HR requirements comprehensively. Let's proceed with the installation on our Docker environment, building on our last session where ERPNext was successfully installed. First, log into the SSH terminal via PuTTY. Here, I am logging into my Ubuntu server where my Docker container is installed and using the command docker ps to check the running container. Next, enter the front-end container using the container ID with the help of the docker exec command. In the apps directory, you will see that we have ERPNext and the Frappe frameworks present. Here, we will run the get app command for the HRMS module in the app directory. This might take some time to prepare the app for installation. After that, we'll change the directory and go into the sites where you can see I have a site called Frontend. To check which apps are installed, we will use the list apps command, where you'll see I have only ERPNext and the Frappe framework installed. Now, we will install the HRMS apps using the bench install app command. And you can see that the HRMS apps are now listed in the app section. We will then perform some migration tasks with the bench migrate command. We have now successfully installed the HRMS apps into the front-end site, but we also need to install them on our back-end site to avoid the internal server error. You can run this command directly in the Docker terminal, like I have Portainer installed in my environment. So we will run the command in the back-end container terminal. First, install the HRMS app, and then run the same install command that we used on the front-end container. If you run the list apps command, you can see the HRMS apps are installed. Next, run the migration command to update the doc type and restart all the containers once. Now, you can see that I have the HR and payroll module in my ERPNext, where I can create new employees to start the HR journey. That's all for now. For more installation videos, please follow and subscribe to Installer Guru.